know that we all need to find a way to keep in mind to humble ourselves and to not reject how this everything come to about and how it exists. You must understand that Father Nature makes any of this possible. It's not Mother Nature. It is not just Mother Nature, it's Father Nature too. And they coexist to make this world a reality and possible. Earth provides not just the growth, but the seeds. Without the seeds of creation, there is nothing. That's why we have to understand to honor not just the divine feminine, but the divine masculine. He is just as vital